mommy, I'm learning Italian. I am so proud. I will call my friends and you speak it out loud. I wanna show off how smart my angel is. She speaks Italian but she's only 6. Jenna, Stella, Marta, you will be so jealous of this. My daughter knows Italian, so listen how she speaks. Bombardiro, crocodilo, chimpanzini, bananini, tralalelo, tralala, liri liri lari la. What the heck is that? Tung 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 saghuru, din 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 dun ma din 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 den. Brr 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 patapim, zebra zubra zibralini, orangutini, ananasini, blueberrini, octopusini, bobrito, bandito, la vaca, Saturno, Saturnita. I thought you said you speak Italian. It's Italian brain rot.